Hi, I'm Robert with Graphics of Pop. We're going to show you the assembly of our new Optima section. And it's only $1,100 a section. It's going to save you a lot of money. We also have our new Yoke payments management system. No management fees for the first year. It's going to save you a bunch of money. Guys, you ready? 1, 2, 3, go. There you have it. Pretty fast, huh? Yeah, I sure hope you guys aren't on your hands and knees pounding in cam connections, looking like a clown, because you don't have to. These can be set up, taken apart, moved, and they're designed to be built to last for 20 or 30 years. Any part on here that breaks is guaranteed for 24 months, bumper to bumper warranty. Anyways, I really appreciate your business. Really hate that you're wasting all that money on that particle board crap. Anyways, Graphics of Pop. Thanks. So here we go. We take a hammer and it's very easy to break. It's not indestructible, but it's pretty close.